Hey kiddo! Have you heard the song, London Bridge is Falling Down? It's about a really, really old bridge in a city called London. This bridge was built hundreds of years ago, and people back then didn't have machines to help them build it, so they had to use their muscles and brains to make it strong. The song is really fun to sing and play with friends, and if you ever go to London, you can walk on the bridge yourself. If you would like to learn more songs like this, please remember to ask your mommy or daddy to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.